Astrea Bioseparations, Bioprocessing Technologies. The Nereus LentiHERO enables lab-scale purification of lentiviral vector samples, ideal for vector development or for preclinical studies. The Nereus LentiHERO delivers high recovery of lentiviral particles with high purity. This, combined with the ability to process multiple samples in parallel, allows you to increase the throughput of your feedstock preparation. Lentiviral feedstocks can be processed in 5 easy steps using the LentiHERO spin column in a regular benchtop centrifuge. Nereus LentiHERO is the first bioseparations tool to incorporate the Astrea Adept nanofiber technology into a unique column format with an ease-of-use design. You should use precautions and practices established in Biosafety Level 2 guidelines when processing your lentiviral feedstock. Firstly, remove the storage buffer. This can simply be tipped into a waste container and disposed of safely. Place the LentiHERO into a 50 ml conical tube and close with a filter cap. Any residual storage buffer can be removed using a benchtop centrifuge. Use a short and gentle centrifuge spin as described in the online protocol. After centrifugation, the flow-through should be discarded. If required, the column can also be sanitized with sodium hydroxide solution, using the same centrifuge settings. To prepare the LentiHERO, the spin column is rinsed with prime buffer. This is removed with a short, gentle spin as previously, and the flow-through removed. The LentiHERO spin column is then rinsed with wash buffer to equilibrate the nanofiber membrane. Again, the buffer is removed with a short, gentle spin as previously, and the flow-through removed. The LentiHERO spin column is ready for use now. Feedstock can be loaded onto the LentiHERO spin column in several ways, depending on the volume being processed. For smaller volumes, those less than 45 ml, the LentiHERO column can be loaded and centrifuged several times with the same settings as used previously. The flow-through is discarded after every spin. Larger volumes can be loaded by attaching the LentiHERO to a vacuum manifold to draw feedstock through the nanofiber membrane. This also allows multiple feedstocks to be processed simultaneously. When the loading is complete, simply rinse the column walls with wash buffer to ensure that all the available material is passed into the nanofiber membrane. This can be achieved by using the same method chosen for loading. Once the wash buffer has passed through the nanofiber membrane, the flow-through is discarded. The lentiviral particles are now captured in the nanofiber membrane and are released with the following elution step. The elution step is the same regardless of which method was used for the loading and washing steps. As elution is a sensitive moment in the process, this should proceed without delay. The Nereus LentiHERO is designed to elute the lentiviral particles with low salt concentration, so helping to preserve the lentiviral particle integrity. Add wash buffer to a clean 50 ml conical tube. This will receive the purified lentiviral particles, allowing the salt-containing elution buffer to be diluted immediately. Buffer volume details are found in the online protocol. Place the LentiHERO spin column into the clean tube containing wash buffer and add elution buffer to the spin column. Without delay, centrifuge the LentiHERO spin column to elute the lentiviral particles. with the same short, gentle centrifuge settings as previously used. The flow-through is your purified sample. The purified lentiviral particles should be titrated immediately. If required, the purified sample can then be further concentrated using either a 100 kilodalton molecular weight cutoff filter or with precipitation via a standard pegylation method. The reduced volume and increased purity decreases the duration of any subsequent concentration steps. In this way, the Nereus LentiHERO increases your lentiviral particle recovery, as well as increasing processing throughput.